Guys, hello! Welcome to Madi Filipino Canadian channel. Want to share with you guys how to make a caramel bar recipe. What we need are 2 cups of flour, 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of butter, 3 eggs. What we need to do, ang gagawin natin ngayon, i-mix natin itong lahat ng mga dried ingredients. The 2 cups of flour, 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of powder milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we mix them together. We're going to put all our eggs together. So we whisk these eggs. Once the eggs is whisked, we're going to put it together with our dry ingredients. To put our butter, 1 cup of butter. Put our condensed milk, 1 can of condensed milk. To put our vanilla extract, the 2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to mix them all. And then we put ground peanuts. To put 1, 2, 3. Once it's all ready, we're going to garnish this one on top of the caramel bar. To mix them together. Okay, so we're going to get a baking sheet, and then we're going to get a parchment paper so that it will not stick in here. We're going to put this on top of the parchment paper, and then we're going to put this one here, and we're going to bake it. So ito na guys, na-flatten na siya. So ang gagawin natin, yung remaining ground peanuts, ilagay natin dito sa ibaba, okay? So ito na yung caramel bar. Stand or cool it down for about 30 minutes at saka i-slice natin pagkatapos, okay? So ito na yung natin caramel bar. Bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Madi Filipino Canadian channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell.